network have travelled to the outskirts of Bristol today to visit MPE Engineering, a new company, Conrad. Now, when did you start?
We started 6 weeks ago, pretty much.
And you've just purchased a new Leadwell machine. Can you tell me a little bit about this purchase?
Yes, we've made a choice and we went with the Lead precision tools. We've bought a Leadwell V-30i, pretty much small machine, but very dynamic, quite powerful as well. It can take a cut. On the table right now we have D2 steel. It cuts very well, so yeah, very happy with the machine.
And do you have any free capacity at present?
Definitely, especially for smaller batches. Yeah, we can, as long as we have a material in this week, we can deliver next week.
And are you looking to expand and looking to take on new work in regards to turning, fifth axis work in the future?
All the time, all the time. If someone would give me a contract for a production work and that requires 10 Masuras, I will sign the papers straight away.
Now, people that are looking to give you work that are in the local area, how should they get in touch?
Well, we have a website, nercengineering.co.uk, or they can just look on MTD Network and follow the details on it.
Well, it was fabulous to see this machine cutting in action today, do some fabulous work here. To get in touch with MPE Engineering today.